today we'll do more question now. More questions on output based. The first one is give the output of the following where x equal to 22.35, which is of double type. Alright. Now when we are calling this the ceiling value of x equal to math.ceil x, what will be the answer? 22.4?
22.3.
22.3. Alright. What do it do? Returns smallest whole number which is greater than the argument. So 22.35 is there. Whole numbers greater than 22.35 are 23.0, 24.0, 25.0. Write this. So there will be many numbers which are greater than 22.35. Alright. And which one is the smallest among them?
23.
23. So the answer will be 23.0. Next one is the floor value of this. The floor value of x. What does floor function do? Returns largest whole number which is smaller than argument. So 22.35. The whole number smaller than 22.35 is 22.0, 21.0, 20.0. And the largest number among them is 22.0. 22.0. The next one is ABS. ABS function. ABS function do not round up. If the number is negative, so it will make it positive. 22.35 negative होता तो आपको 22.35 पॉजिटिव मिलता. 22.35 पॉजिटिव है तो आपको पॉजिटिव में ही मिलेगा. नंबर अगर आपका फ्लोट डबल टाइप है तो फ्लोट डबल, इंटीजर है तो इंटीजर. जो भी डेटा टाइप है नंबर का रिटर्न टाइप वही रहना है. अगर इसमें आर्ग्यूमेंट में 22 देते तो आपको रिजल्ट -22 देंगे आउटपुट, है ना. अगर आप -22 देंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? 22 मिलेगा. ठीक है. एंड इफ यू गिव -22.5 यू विल गेट +22.5. इसका मतलब क्या है कि अगर आप जो भी नंबर दे उसका डेटा टाइप चेंज नहीं होगा, केवल चेंज होना है उसका साइन. पॉजिटिव में आंसर आना है. नेक्स्ट आउटपुट मिनिमम ऑफ x and 40.
So 22.35
is 22.35. One parameter is double,
yes,
another parameter is integer. So doesn't make any difference. So whatever is smaller number, that will be the output as it is. Output of this highlighted.
So 36.5, sir, 36.5 and 38.39, sorry.
39 कहाँ से आ गया? 38.5. Now children, see, the first thing is printing M. So when we are printing M, M remains as it is. So it will give you 36.5. No issue about it. Alright. The first thing which comes out is 36.5. Now here M++ is given. So plus is after M, so postfix is taking place. So it will display 36.5. Then it will make the value of M as 37.5. But after displaying the value of, it will be added after displaying. Then here plus is before M.
Yes, sir.
So 37.5 is one is added before displaying. So it becomes 38.5. Okay. Now solve this for the value of A as 9. So you just see this statement like this. A plus plus. Okay, A plus plus, the value of A is 9. Then plus plus is taking place, A will become 10. Then plus A, it means increment has to be done before. And then addition has to go. Minus A is 11 plus minus A. Now the value of A is decremented first, then it is added.
10.
Okay, so output will be 19.
19.
Alright. Now we have to find the output of this ternary operator. In this question, there is the two things. See, B minus A less than 20 ternary operator 400:35. So we have to see first this A will be compared to 20 and result will be subtracted from B, or first B minus A will take place. So what will be done? First this less than will be taken, or first B minus A. So we must know that the precedence of arithmetic operator is higher than ternary operator. Alright. So first B minus A will take place. So B is 15, A is 10, equal to 5. That will be compared with 20, and as this condition is true, so 400 will be the return value of this expression. Alright, so the answer will be 400.
400.
Now we have to write the mathematical expression for the given Java statement. So we can see this thing, this highlighted thing I have written in the bracket. Alright. So the mathematical expression will be Z equal to square root of X and Y minus X into X.
Sir, minus X square
into square root
and
of
sir under root square root Y upon X plus Y whole का.
तो हमने होल का लिख दिया. ठीक है. Next thing is output of this code. I hope you will answer this. Now what will the 10? Let's see 10 is the correct answer or not. Here we have used this function nexted. So nexted functions are used in the math.max function. I have given parameter as C and the result of math.min. So first of all, it will find the smaller of A and B, and smaller of A and B is 10. The result of this part will be 10. Then this 10 will be compared with 9, and the higher of 9 and 10 is 10. So the answer would be 10.
10.
जरा देखो भाई सब लोग. It is saying the value of J is 5 initially, right? So first of all, what I will do, I will write the value of J somewhere as 5. Then the first bracket, it is set 5 into J plus plus. So it will take 5 into 5, and then J plus plus will take place. Modulus 6. Okay. Then this is here backslash T to leave tab. Okay. Then the next expression is 5 into plus plus J. So J will increment first. J will become 7. Modulus 6. Alright. So the result will be 5 into 5 modulus 6. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 is divided by 6. Remainder is 1. And 5 into 7, 35. 35 divided by 6. So what will be the remainder? 5 will be the remainder. The So answer will be 1 followed by tab, then 5. Be careful. This one is very important. Math.seal minus 20.9.08. Answer is said minus 29.08. Oh, 0.00. 0.0 is there. There may be the chances the children may write the answer as minus 30.0. This will be wrong. How it will be wrong? When there is a minus sign, if you see the number line, if it is 29.0, then this is 20 minus 30.0. Where will be 29.8? It will be 20.09, 0.8, 0.7, 0.6 like this. There will be 10 parts of it in between. So where does 29.0 lies? 29.0 is greater than minus 29.8. So we have to display, or we will get minus 29.0. So if there is a negative number, if you are getting any doubt, you can take the help of number line. Alright. When we do this, it gives an error. Beta, the range of the byte is, what is the range of the byte? If we take a byte type of variable, the range of the byte is minus 128 to 127. If you try to store something beyond this range, it will display an error message at the time of compilation. Okay. So either we change this range, or either we change the number, or if we want to strictly store 128 only, we can convert it into byte, or we write like this, or byte x equal to, we convert using typecasting 128. Alright. Now in case we do this, after doing this, if you try to display this, what will be the result? See, the numbers are stored like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this up to 127. Then 0 before the 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and dot minus 128 minus 127 like this. Okay. Now could you guess the result? X will be minus 128. Okay. Okay, after 127, what is coming? Minus 128. Alright. 127 plus 1 is minus 128. If I store 129, then it will become minus 127. Okay, if I store minus 130, what will be the value stored into it?
Minus 120 plus 126.
126. That's why. Okay, if I try to store minus 130, it will store plus 126. So you have understood this concept, how the numbers are stored. And what happens when we go beyond the range?
सर एक बार फिर से बता दीजिए सर.
बेटा तुम समझ लो एक एग्जाम्पल कि एक गेम मान लीजिए, ठीक है, एक सर्किल बनाते हैं इधर, ठीक है, ये लिखा है A B C D E F. So if I say you have to go, you are at W. Your game is you are at
W.
now we have to play the game of moving forward and backward. Move 3 steps forward. So where you will reach?
Sir, A.
No, Z. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir, that's all, sir.
You move, reach to Z. Now again you move 2 steps forward.
Sir, Y.
Forward. Abhi you are at Z now.
B.
Now you will reach at B. Now I said move 3 steps backward.
Y.
Y.
So 3 steps back. 1, 2, 3. Y पे आए. Okay. So like this,
Yes,
forward and backward. When your number is positive, so it means forward. When it is negative, it means backward. Okay. So here the circle is like this. It is 0. Here I can say it. Okay, it is minus. It is 127. Okay, and then what will be the last number of this range is minus 128. And before that minus 127, minus 126. Before 127, 126, 125 like this. So if I say we are at, let's say we are at the number 129 plus 129. So plus 129 means the last number is 127 plus 2 step forward. Alright. So what is it will become?
Yes, sir.
Minus 127.
Minus 120.
135. 130 let's say. So minus means backward. So the last number is minus 128. Backward means यहाँ 2 का डिफरेंस है 2 बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन. ठीक है, बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन में जाएंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? तो 128, 1 step backward, 2 step backward, we got 126.
126.
Is this clear, children, now?
Yes.
Okay. Now output of these two, 34, part 1, part 2. What is statement? 65 is compared with A. When the character is compared with the integer or character is compared with the character also, then also it compares the ASCII code of the character. The ASCII code of the A is 65. So this will result as true. It will display true. And the second one, 10 is greater than 5. This condition is true. So the control will go to this part and display false. Is this clear? Why it will display false? Because the condition is true. In the expression 1 part we have displayed false. What will be the value of A and B after the following expression is evaluated if x equal to 5 and b equal to 10 initially? In this expression, the value of A is incremented once and the value of B is incremented once. So the value of A will become 6 and 11. That's all. The switch statement given, we have to find the error in this.
सर एरर मिलेगा सर d इक्वल टू 44 को ब्रेक के ऊपर होना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल सही आंसर है. और बच्चा बताए कोई?
और सर केस 2 होना चाहिए, केस 1 दो बार नहीं हो सकता.
यस सर, केस 2.
तो ये तो बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन था. So in this example, if you see, in the switch block, I have one variable n. It means n is the variable which will be tested. Okay. It is tested with the value 1, case 1 and case 1. So this is the first error. Okay. Because we cannot compare one variable with many constants, or the constants are same. So, or we can say the two cases could not have same literal. or same constant. Alright. Second thing is, in this code, D equal to 44, if you look at this, is written after the break. And in no case, in no situation, this statement will execute. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि कुछ भी, चाहे भी वैल्यू केस की कुछ भी हो, कुछ कैसा भी आए, और ये कोड कभी भी एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगा. ऐसे कोड को हमेशा ये एरर दिखाएगा कंपाइल टाइम करते समय, और वो एरर क्या देगा? अनरीचेबल कोड. ऑलराइट, it will be displaying this is an unreachable code. So the error number 1, what we can write? Case, two cases cannot have same constant. Second thing, D equal to 44 is unreachable code. Okay. Now the result of this. X equal to 40. When the value of X is 40, you just see the conditions. This condition is satisfied. 40 is greater than 50 is true. False. So next condition will not be tested. It will go to else. 40 is greater than 50, again false. 40 is greater than 50 is false. This for the value x 40. All these conditions are false, and second condition is not tested because we have used AND operator. When the AND operator is used, if the first condition is false, second condition will not be tested. So for this case, you are not going to get any result. So you will write no output for this. The second value is 125. So let's see for 125. 125 is greater than 50 is true, and 125 is less than 100 is false. So the first condition is set as false. So it will go for the else. 125 is greater than 150 is true, but 125 is less than 200 is also true. So here both conditions are satisfied. Your answer will be between 50 and 200. So the output is between your answer. Now the third case is when the value of x is 501. So for the 501, if you check the condition thoroughly, the first condition is false. 500 is greater than 50, but less than 100 is false. Then it will go for the else. 500 is greater than 50. 501 is greater than 50, but less than 200 is false. So it will go for the third case. 501 is greater than 50, but 500 is less than 500 is false. So again, in this case also, we have got no condition satisfied. So the result will be no output. When the output is asked, it is not necessary you will get output. Sometimes you will have such cases also where there will be no output. Now guys, this one. Dekho bhai. The value of A is 10, B is 25. 10 is greater than 25 is false. Alright. When this condition is false, but as we have used this OR operator, so it will go for second condition, and before doing anything, it will set the value of A as 7. The value of A will become 7. Then this will be compared with 10. 7 is greater than 10. False. So the both conditions are false. So it will go to else and display the value of B. The value of B is 25. And then it will display the value of A, that is changed to 7. Understood? Understood what happens here when we change the value while writing the expression?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next part of this, I've made a small change into it. Okay. So here instead of OR operator, I have placed AND operator. Okay, here you highlighted, I highlighted it. See, first A and B is compared, 10 is greater than 25 is false. So it will straight away go down to else, ignoring this. When AND operator is there and the first condition is false, it is not going to check the second condition. So the value of B will be displayed as 25 and the value of A is 10. Because this statement A equal to 7 is not executed. Now what will be the output of this? The output should be plus plus x is written in double quotes. Okay?
Sir, it will be printed as it is. Sir,
Printed.
जो बाहर वाला है तो वो execute होगा.
हाँ. So according to you children, it will display plus plus x equal to 11. But plus plus s is out of this, तो prefix लगा तो 11 कर देगा. ऐसा आप बता रहे हैं. But children, आपने एक बात को ध्यान दिया. In the variable declaration, what is this? Final int.
Final int.
So what is the role of the final keyword? फाइनल कीवर्ड का रोल क्या है बताइए. फाइनल कीवर्ड इज यूज्ड टू डिफाइन a variable as constant. It means what? It means the value of the variable cannot be changed. Value of constants cannot be changed.
Sir.
So what we are trying to do? We are trying to change the value of the constant. So this is what?
So
Wrong हो गया. So answer would be
plus x is equals to 10.
no way child. Answer will be this. Answer is syntax error. As we cannot change the value of a final variable, it behaves like a constant. This statement, the highlighted statement, will give you an error. This green statement, first you, if I am saying make it for this constant, and the next statement we are trying to change. What is this nonsense? What are you trying to do? Your statements are contradictory to each other. All right.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now it's time for attendance. कुछ बच्चे लीव कर चुके हैं, उनका बता दीजिएगा ना. आपके दोस्त हैं. तारीख है आज 28. अहाना यादव अब्सेंट है. थी?
नहीं सर.
नहीं आई थी. अभिराज विक्रम आया था, मुझे दिखा था. अंशुमान सिंह है. अनुष्का सिंह है. नहीं. अनुश्री पटेल, अशोक सिंह, अनुश्री पटेल. अथर परिहार थे क्या? अथर परिहार है. दर्पण कनौजिया, हरमन यादव है. हिया आनंद है. दिव्यांश भदौरिया नहीं है. हिया आनंद, खुशी अरोरा, कृष्ण जायसवाल, कनक रॉय साहब नहीं है. कृष्ण जायसवाल है. महक तिवारी है. मनप्रीत सिंह, मयंक सिंह, मनप्रीत मयंक है. तस्वीर खान है. प्रज्वल है. प्रज्वल नहीं है. प्रफुल्ल चंद्रा, प्रथम कुमार, रुद्राक्ष है. सक्षम प्रताप सिंह, सौरभ श्रेष्ठ, श्रेया श्रीवास्तव, सृष्टि श्रीवास्तव, शुभ सागर, शुभ का सागर नहीं रहता है, सुबी यादव, स्वधा शुक्ल, सुब्राम द्विवेदी नहीं है,
सरोज नहीं है।
अच्छा, उदित नहीं है, उमंग अवस्थी उदित नहीं है, रमन था, ऐश्वर्य था, आशुतोष सिंह थे।
Yes, sir.
ठीक ठीक, ओके देन, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे, थैंक यू वेरी मच। तुम लोग भी थैंक यू बोला करो, थैंक यू बोलते हैं तुमको समझ में नहीं आता थैंक यू बोला जाता है।
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you, sir.
ये सब छोटी चीजें सीखो, जय जगत करना, गुड मॉर्निंग करना, आया कल ज्वाइन कर लिया, हो गया, अरे हाँ हो गया भैया, हमारा कर्तव्य पूरा हो गया। तो वो बच्चे नहीं, ये सब छोटी छोटी चीजें लाइफ में बहुत मैटर करती हैं ना।
सर बोलने जा रही है।
हाँ ओके बच्चों, बाय बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे, वेलकम
थैंक यू सर।
वेलकम।